Good day everyone, welcome back to Diko Graphics design channel. Now I'm going to show you how to use different markup on your smartphone using Photopea. As you all know, after you might have downloaded your PSD file and you have saved it on your smartphone, then you extract it to a particular place on your phone. Then you are good to go to mock up any kind of your design, either on Pixellab or any other app on Photopea. The next thing you will do, after you might have got all these steps done on your phone, then come to your Chrome browser. When you come to your Chrome browser, then type www.photopea.com, then load it. Now this is the interface, Photopea interface, the working area. The next thing you will do is the first step is to go to your file, then click on open, click on download, then go directly to Z-Archiver if you have it, if you are the extraction app that you are using to extract any kind of your file or font. Then go there, click on top here, then click download. That is where I save my home. Your home might be different. Then I want to locate where I save my home. Yes, I've saved the mockup I want. Then I click select the mockup. After clicking it, then you load. You wait for it to load. It to load. Now it's loading. Within a second or minute, it is done loading. Then you see, as you can see, this is it. Then look at the options at the right hand side. You see lay LAY there, then click on it once. Options will pop up as well. Among those options, you could be able to see it here that each of these options is having what we call an eye icon, EYE, eye icon. Then when you see those eye icon, this first one is light, second one is logo here. Click on logo here. Logo here means this is the place that you have to place your logo. Double tap it. Then double tap means double click it. When you double click, another layer will pop up. Do you understand? Another layer will pop up. You see what we wrote here, color overlay. You can work on this later when you enable it to be on. I will explain what color overlay is after I finish this mockup. Then you see the eye icon, EYE. Beside what you double tap, just hide it for you to hide the design that was on this particular logo before. Then click on link. Come to your file, then click open and place. Come to your file, click open and place, click on download, then select the design you just made on your Pixellab or on any other app. When you click it, then move it up. You see there are some handle icons. There are handle icon that surround this particular logo. Then hold one, grip one, and draw it out as if you want to zoom it out. You see, so when you draw it out, it will enlarge the design. Why am I doing this? Is for the logo to be able to fit in so that it will not be too small. After you've done that, then click on file, click on save with smart object, then you wait. Nothing, it might not respond, don't worry. When you tap it, you see smart object updated, then you wait. Then you see there are two things on the top of this particular layer where your logo is. You see 284.psd.psd and you see motel1.psd. Click on this first one. Anywhere you see you are doing any mockup you are dealing with, when you see the first one at the top, just double tap it. Don't worry if nothing will show. It means your mockup is working on the ground, but at the end of the day, you have already installed the mockup to what to display the PSD results at the end of the day. You see my own has even done, you can see. So let me zoom it out. You see how amazing and simple it is, very fast. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this video interesting and helpful, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I updated the news video. And don't forget to share my video as well. May God bless you as you do so. Now click on File, click on Export as PNG, click on PNG, then this one will take a second, you see, then click on Download. Open, let's see the results. You can see the result, how neat and what and amazing it is. Thanks for watching.